us. Today, this was our first session, that is Power Apps. Okay, and what is Power Apps today? We are going to discuss about today's agenda was what is Power Apps, what are the features of Power Apps, and what is the topics which we are going to discuss as part of our Power Apps training course. Then how we are going to uh, create how we are going to set up the power apps environment on your system, and what are the different major components of power apps, and how we are going to we have a data in OneDrive or you have a data in Google Sheets. Then how we are going to connect to that data. Okay, then first of all, what is power apps? Okay, power apps is nothing but a suite of applications, services, and connectors and data platform that provides a rapid application development environment to build custom applications for your business needs. Right? For us, it is going to provide a flexibility to create custom applications based on your data, based on whatever the data you are having. Suppose you have a data in your SQL server, you have a data in some Excel file, and you have a data in some OneDrive. Okay, based on that, we can able to create a Power Applications. Without that, also we can create a Power Applications from scratch onwards. Okay, we are going to discuss those things. You don't worry. Okay, see here, Power Apps is a collection of cloud-based tools. Cloud in the sense you don't require to install anything, right? You have to access that. It will be automatically whatever the applications you have created, that will be automatically saved in the prompt. Okay, Power Apps is a collection of cloud-based tools and services that enable users to build applications using drag and drop features. Okay, using drag and drop features and pre-built templates. There are pre-built templates also there. We can create applications by using those templates as well. Here, you with very little coding expertise is required. You don't require any coding knowledge. Okay, less than 5%. If you are having less than 5%, also you are able to create the Power Apps. That is the reason I'm saying you don't require any coding knowledge is required. Okay, whatever the applications you have developed, these applications work on mobile devices as well and can be used to streamline the business processes. You can automate the workflows and you can enhance the productivity. See here, what is here? There are two things that you should remember about Power Apps. One is development environment and data platform. What is meaning by development environment? That development environment, it can allows you to develop and put together applications. What is the data platform? Right? As a data platform, it allows you to connect to different data sources. Like you have a data in Excel file, you can connect to that Excel data, and we have a data in SQL server. Okay, if you want to create a application by using those SQL, you can use that on any other server, wherever it is. Okay, you can even store your data within Power Apps also. You have created one Power App, okay, one application, and instead of that you have a data. Okay, if you want to store also, you can store the data with Power Apps as well. Okay, see here, by using development environment and data platform together, we are going to build a Power application. Okay, what is meaning by development environment? Development environment here it can provide a environment to develop the applications. What is the data platform? By using this data platform, it allows you to connect different data sources like Excel. You have a data in Excel file. You want to create applications by using those Excel data. You can do that, and you have a data in some SQL Server database. And if you want to create a application by using those data which is available in the SQL Server. Otherwise, you have a data in Amazon Web Server. By using that also we can create. Okay, see here, by using these two things together, we can build the Power applications by using development environment and data platform. See here, like Power Apps is a product of Microsoft application. Microsoft, it is a product of Microsoft, right? What are the different products are available? Suppose take an example, Microsoft Word. Why you are going to use the Microsoft Word? You can by using Microsoft Word, we can create a documents, and here Microsoft Excel. If you want to create an Excel spreadsheet, we can use the Microsoft Excel. Suppose Microsoft PowerPoint also there. Like why you are going to use the PowerPoint, right? If you want to create any presentations, we are going to use the Microsoft PowerPoint. Suppose if you want to create any applications by using Microsoft, how we are going to achieve that? By using Microsoft Power Apps. Okay, this is one kind of application. By using that, we can create our applications. See here, what are the features? What are the features of Power Apps? Easy to use. Why easy to use? Means you don't require any coding knowledge. Okay, drag and drop. I will show you that after creating the after setting up the environment will come to, right. Easy to use means,
Sir, are you
yeah.
sharing the screen?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Initially I have shared, but again, sorry. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I will be sharing this presentation. Sorry for that. Okay. See here, features of Power Apps means first is easy to use. Means easy to use in the sense you don't require any coding knowledge. Okay. By using drag and drop actions, you can create the Power Apps, Power Applications is run it everywhere. What is meaning by run it anywhere? Everywhere in the sense whatever the applications you have developed, you can able to run either on your system or any Android device also on any iOS device also. Okay, we can run. It connect to anything. What is meaning by connect to anything? Power Apps can connect to any databases, any database servers, or it can connect to OneDrive as well. It can connect to email, Outlook as well. It can connect to any server, Oracle database also it can connect. Okay, customizations, whatever the applications you have developed, we can easily able to customize. Okay, see here, low code development. Power Apps is designed for non-developers to create custom no code applications without requiring extensive coding skills. In the sense, low code development, in the sense, you don't require any coding, extensive coding skills. If you are aware of like less than 5%, you are having less than 5% of coding skills also, you are able to create a Power Apps. Because here drag and drop actions only. Existing templates are also available, and also you can use the you can connect to any data source also. Suppose you have a data in OneDrive, you have a data in Excel spreadsheet. If you want to develop any application by using that data also, we can able to create a Power Apps. Okay. Second one is it is integration with Microsoft services. What is meaning by Microsoft services? It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft cloud services, Azure cloud also there, such as SharePoint. We are going to discuss SharePoint. Okay, Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Automate also. Whatever the data, suppose if you want to schedule a flow through Power Automate, you can do that also. And Power BI, it is mainly using for the reporting purpose. Okay, integration with Microsoft services. Okay, it is like whatever the services it is going to provide by Microsoft, it is making it easier to build and connect data driven applications. Then mobile friendly. See what is mobile friendly? Power Apps is optimized for mobile devices also. Suppose whatever the applications you have developed, you can able to launch through mobile devices also. So you can easily build and deploy mobile friendly applications for iOS, Android, and as well as Windows services. Today is our first class, guys. Don't worry. This is just I am explaining the basics. Then customizable templates. Power Apps includes customizable templates to help users get started quickly with their app development process. Okay, already templates are available. By using those templates also, you can create a Power Apps. Okay. Then see AI and machine learning, like any modern software. What is meaning by AI? Artificial intelligence. Okay, you can you can develop the Power Apps by using those also. Artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts. Like any modern software tool, the underlying data platform of Power Apps, it includes the artificial intelligence and as well as machine learning capabilities to help users automate business applications. It can adapt the applications and make smarter decisions. Okay, cloud-based. Cloud-based in the sense I already told you, right? Data, whatever the applications you have developed, it is going to store in the cloud. Okay. Power Apps portals are cloud-based. Even portals are also there, which means users can access their applications from anywhere, anytime. Okay, because those applications are saved inside of the cloud. Okay, that is the reason Power Apps portals are cloud-based, which means users can access their applications from anywhere, anytime, and on a mobile device or a PC or a laptop also. See here, this is the overview. Anyway, I am going to share you the detailed training content to you. I already prepared. Just I am checking one more time. Once it is done, I will be sharing. As part of our training session, like introduction and environment setup in the sense how we are going to access the Power Apps. Okay, I will be showing you that. Then basic things, Power Apps concepts means what is the layout of the Power App and what are the different components are available, right? And we are going to discuss about control and forms also, and what are the different data sources are available, and what are the different type of connectors are available. Then what is meaning by collection, and Power Automate desktop we already discussed about collection. Okay, here also that is the concept, and variables also. What are the different type of variables are available, and main functions of Power Apps, because there are huge number of functions are available in Power Apps. Just I will show you that. But as part of our training session, we are not going to discuss each and every function of the Power App. I will show you that. One minute. You can see here there are different 1 minute. One minute, yes. We can refer this also. Okay, I will be sharing that 1 minute. Sorry guys, 1 minute. There are more than 400 functions are available, but I will be sharing that link to you. Please wait. But as part of our training session, we are going to discuss main functions, right? How we are going to filter, how we are going to search, okay? How we are going to create a collection, how we are going to add the data to the collection, okay? These things we are going to discuss, main things. Okay. Then about like beginner, what is meaning by, there are different type of applications we can develop by using in Power Apps. One is Canvas apps, second one is model driven apps, and Power Pages as well, and Power Portals as well. Okay. Here see, beginner, we are going to discuss about beginner, how we are going to create a Canvas app. Then intermediate also we are going to discuss, and expert, then advanced. Okay, advanced concepts of the Canvas applications. Then second one is advanced model driven apps, how we are going to create a model driven app. Okay, like what is the difference between model driven apps and as well as Canvas apps. Okay, expert in the sense there is one common data service develop full application from scratch to end. Okay, from scratch we are going to develop. Okay, this will be, then after that we are going to discuss about assignments. I will be assigning some assignments for your practice purpose. Then we are going to discuss about interview preparation. Then as well as best practices also. And also here we are going to discuss and also we are going to discuss how we are going to connect Power App to the SharePoint and vice versa. Then how we are going to connect Power Apps to Power Automate for cloud, then vice versa also we are going to discuss. See how we are going to create a Power Apps account. I'm going to show you guys how we are going to create a Power Apps account. Okay, but if you don't have right account, right, whenever you are going to create, whenever you are going to access the Power Apps, either by using any you won't be able to access, you won't be able to create a Power Apps account by like Gmail or Yahoo. Okay, for that purpose, you can create one temporary account. Okay, I will be showing you from scratch. I will be showing you. Just wait. Leave this. Here, just access this site. AI. Okay, for creating temporary mail address. Okay, just like you have to for getting access to the Power Apps, you should have to create an account by using work or business email. But if you are going to create an account, Microsoft account, by using your Gmail, your personal account, you won't be able to access that. Okay, just I'm going to create by using this one. Okay, access this website. Okay, you also. Just I'm pinging here in our chat window. Okay, temp A for creating a temporary email. Okay, you will be able to access at max 1 hour time. It is only available for 1 hour time. Then after that, it won't allow. Okay, see here. See here, temp mail provides you with temp mail addresses which expire after 1 hour. It will automatically expire. Okay, you can sign up to websites, social media, and read the incoming emails. Okay, just for registration purpose, I am going to use this temporary email address because this is not a personal. Okay, this is what is the domain GUFUM. Okay, just I am copying here. I am going to create account. Just wait. Just you can create by using this account. Okay, Microsoft account login. Then click on sign in. Just wait. I am logging out. Just wait, guys. Okay. Here I am going to create a new Microsoft account. Okay. Click on sign in. I am going to create a new one. You can give your name, no issue. Here you can whatever the mail address is there, you can copy that. Sorry, so many times. Okay. Next, you can create the password and keep remember this username and password because next time you won't be able to access that account. Okay, please write those credentials anywhere, write any notepad and you can save that. Okay, click on next. Then here it will be coming the if you want to create any temporary business email address, you can create by using this tempal.com. Okay, after some time code will be coming. It is waiting for emails. It will be taking some time. See, we have received the email. And whatever the code you have received, we can enter that. Click on next. Okay, verification is completed. Then we have successfully created a Microsoft account by using this. Then just wait. After logging into your Microsoft account, you can directly here navigate here. See, if it is not available here, then click on all apps. Just wait. Here, suppose if you are looking for Power Automate or if you are looking for Power Apps, okay. If it is not available under apps, then click on all apps. Okay, then you can search for here. Power apps. If it is still this account, I don't have access to that. Okay, 1 minute. How you can get? Otherwise, you can use your Outlook account also for creating that. This is one way. This is not available here. Then how you can get the access? Just wait. I will show you that. Sign out. And log into your Outlook account. Sign in. Suppose I already created. One minute. Here it is not also available. What you have to do? Go to directly open make.powerapps. This is the website. Make.powerapps.com. Okay. If it is not available, then you can use whatever the email address previously I have used. This one, right? What is my email address? 1 minute. I have created this. Click on next. Then you have to select. I got it from my organization. Then if you want to create, you can create. Just I'm giving my name. India. You can give any name. You can select anything. 1 minute. Give one phone number like 6281232923. Okay, you can create the password here. You might be receiving the email. 1 minute. See here. See here. Keep in mind, you won't be able to access the Power Apps. Okay, without registering by using work or business email address. That is the reason I am requesting you to access this URL tempal.com. Randomly the mail ID is getting generated. You can copy and you can launch this website. Which one? Make.powerapps.com. Okay, then you can provide these details, whatever the details I have entered here, right? You can create the password and you can create any phone number. This is the mandatory. Okay, see here, I have received the code here. Okay, by using that, you are able to create the account. Here, see verification. Okay, by default it is selected. You don't require this one. Click on next. Then click get started. Better to download the Microsoft Authenticator or any app. Okay, like we can go to Play Store. Some devices are not. Some devices they are maybe older. If you are having old mobile devices, it may not support that. Microsoft Authenticator is not able to install. Okay. Instead of that, you can use any authenticator. I will let you know that if you require. Okay. You have 14 days, no issue. After 14 days, it will be asking to access through Microsoft Authenticator app, any or any other authenticator app. Maybe like if you are having any older versions of mobile, that may not be supported. Microsoft Authenticator app, okay, which was developed by Microsoft. It is the Microsoft product. Yes, see, this is the layout. Okay, oh, this is the layout. Left side, this is right. This is the console. Here left side like home. Like if you want to create any app, you want, okay, there are different apps are available. See which one already developed. Okay, whatever the applications are developed, whatever under this environment means GUFEM. Okay, this is my environment. Okay, whatever the applications are developed under this environment is going to list all here. Okay, then tables. These are the, if you want to create any table, right, you can use that one. Now I am not explaining this, just I am going to show you. We are going to discuss each and everything. Okay, for creating the account, for creating the Power Apps account, I am requesting you to access this URL, whatever the URL I have provided in our chat. Okay, just access this and use this one. For creating an account for getting access or for creating an account in Power Apps, right? Which URL you can use? Microsoft.powerapps.com. Okay, I'll be providing this URL as well in our chat window. Okay, first create temporary email in this temp.al by using this address. Okay, whatever the URL I have specified, you can create the temporary business email. It will be expiring after 1 hour. That is the reason you can whatever the credentials you have used for getting access to our apps, make a note of those credentials. Either you can save those credentials inside of notepad, otherwise you can save those credentials in your email. Okay, once you have created, then our setup is ready. Now you are able to access. Okay, this is our environment. Suppose if you are working for any company, right, Excel, whatever it may be, by default that environment it is coming here. Okay, but client, you are working for some client, they have provided the client email ID, right? According to that, it is going to create the environment. Okay, see here, these are the different tables, flows, chat bars, AI models, also artificial intelligence models. Okay, connections. Okay, see here. See here, this is our first page. You can set here. I am belongs to India. That is the reason I am going to select this. Then get started. See here, there are different type of flows are available. Cloud flows and desktop flows. Okay, desktop flows also we can discuss. Okay, and cloud flows in the sense whatever the flows you have developed that will be saved in the cloud. Okay, if you want to create any desktop flows, we can use this. Okay, if you want to create any cloud flows, right, whatever the, if you are selecting this, okay, then like whatever the flows you have developed, that will be saving inside of the cloud. Okay, suppose you can create a flow by using this templates also. Okay, you can use Power Apps Maker templates. You might like, this is the Power Apps button. If you want to suppose you want to create a template, right? If you want to add an item to the SharePoint and send email, you can use this. Okay. See. Then go to create. This is our, if you want to create any app, right? There are different ways we can create the app. One is blank app, right? From create an app, if you are creating app by using this blank app, you can create an app from scratch and then you have to add the data. Okay. Suppose Dataverse also we are going to discuss. We have a data in Dataverse table. This is the Microsoft Dataverse. If you want to create a screens by using this, you can use this. Okay. If you want to create a app these are the templates. If you want to create an app by using SharePoint list, suppose you are selecting this SharePoint, you are going to create a app by using this SharePoint, means it is going to start from a SharePoint list to create 3-screen app. Excel also, okay. And SQL, we have a data and database table. If you want to create, you can use this one, okay. And also like these are the different, okay. Suppose if you want to create a application by using any data, so suppose I explained earlier, I have a data in Google Sheets. I want to create an app by using this. I'm going to use this as my data source, okay. And I have a data and SQL Server database table. Okay, I want to create a app by using. I am going to use what is the data source means whatever the data source in the sense which like you are going obviously you are going to develop a develop and design an app, right? There must be their data is required, right? How we are going to get the data means whether you are going to enter the data or whether we are going to use any data source. Suppose I have a my data source is Google Sheet. I have a data in Google Sheet. I want to create app by using that data. See here, click on more data sources. There are different type of data sources are available. See here, see connections. If you want to create new connection, right here, whenever you are going to click new connection, it is going to display, right? We have a whether you are going to use a data source as Amazon or Azure database or DB2. DB2 it is nothing but a database also. Like mostly my like mainframe applications and AS400, they are going to use DB2 as a their backend, right? Here there are different type of connections are available, different type of data sources are available. Suppose Google Sheet, I have a data in Google Sheet. I want to use that sheet data as a data source. Suppose I have a data in OneDrive, means OneDrive. I want to access that. How we are going to do that? I will let you know. I will show you that. Okay, here I'm going to use Google Sheet. Okay, I'm like what is the data source I'm going to use? Google Sheet as my data source. See here, Google Sheet, it can, if you are going to create a connection by using Google Sheet, it can connect to the Google Sheets to manage your spreadsheets. You can create a new sheet or you can edit. You have a already data is there. If you want to edit also, you can edit through this Power Apps. Okay, and collaborate with others on spreadsheet. If you want to learn, you can click on this. It will redirect you to that connectors. See here, there are different type of connectors are available. Power Platform connectors, custom connectors in the sense we are going to create our own custom selector, custom connectors. Sorry. Suppose you might be looking for some connector. You want to connect something, but that connector is not available. Then how we are going to build? Okay, this also we are going to build by using this. Okay, I will let you know that how we can create our own custom connector. See here, Power Platform connectors overview. You can see here connector components. What are the different type of components are available, right? See here, there are different type of connectors are available. You are looking for suppose Google, search for here Google, the Google Sheets. You can see here Google Sheets connect it by using this connector. We can connect to Google Sheets to manage your spreadsheet. Okay, in the Excel, like Google Sheet, data will be storing in the spreadsheet. Each sheet will be calling as a spreadsheet. Okay, in the Google Sheet, you can create the data and you can edit the data. Suppose you want to update, you can edit also. If you want to share that with others, okay, you can share that also. See here, what is the services? Logical apps, Power Automate, Power Apps. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, here I am going to create. I am going to create a new app by using Google Sheets. We have to provide our credentials. Suppose I am going to connect. See here, this will allow Microsoft Power Platform to see, edit, create, and delete all of your Google Drive files. Suppose you are going to update the data here, it will automatically update. If you want to delete any data, if you are deleting the data from Power Apps, it will automatically. Okay, see here. See, edit, create, and delete all your Google Sheets spreadsheets. Okay, see here. Allow. Allow access. See here. See here, training, whatever the spreadsheets are available, it is going to show. Here I am going to create the and how we are going to access, how we are going to create a new Google Sheet, how we are going to create, guys. Click on new, here it is there. Okay, log into your Google Drive, log into your Google Drive. That is the reason I shared, right? Create any dummy account, Gmail account for this training purpose. Already we have already discussed about email, right? We have configured the Gmail, okay, through Power Automate Desktop. That is that time also I think we have created the dummy Gmail account just for training purpose. You can use that also. Here, click on new. Here, Google Sheets. Here, see, I am going to create a. Suppose if you want to create any template, you can use, but timing, I am going to create a blank spreadsheet. I have already data in my spreadsheet. Okay, I have a data in Excel. Okay, I will be sharing this also. We can edit. I am going to copy this. Control C. Then go to here and you can paste it. Okay. What is the sheet name and everything? Okay. You can save this to customers. You can use your own data also. Customers to import. You can save here also. I am giving more. You can make a copy. You can create. Customers to go here and replace here. See here. Suppose here I am going to select this. Okay. Now we are going to create a new app by using which data source? Google Sheet as my data source. Click on this. Okay. Then which sheet? Suppose if there are multiple sheets are available. Suppose might be there are multiple sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 like this. That time it will be asked, we need to provide, right? Which sheet you are going to use as a data source, right? That is the reason here I'm going to provide the sheet name, right? From which sheet you are going to read the data, right? Here. What is the sheet name? Sheet. Then go here and this. Click on connect. It will be taking time, 1 minute. Just wait. If you want to starting customizing your app, this is temporary. Then we are going to manipulate. We are going to highlight and how we are going to validate and everything we are going to discuss. Got it. Okay. See here. This is when after creating the application, after creating the Power Apps by using Google Sheet as my data source, means whatever the data it is having. Okay. 1 minute. Here. The customer name, first name, last name, VIP level, date of join, location, passport number, agent. See here, there are 3 screens are getting. What are the different screens? One is browse screen. We will be discussing elaborately. You don't worry about this. I will be explaining each and everything. Okay. Once we are discuss this, then we are going to discuss about how we are going to create the Power Apps from scratch onwards. We don't have any data. Okay. See here, these are the browse gallery. Click on this. See, this is the browse gallery. Rectangle in the sense it is the rectangle. Then search icon. Here is the search icon is there. We have to, there are different icons are available. See here. Okay, we have to do that. We have to add the functionality. Okay, we'll be discussing later. Don't worry. Okay, here search icon, test search box. This is the test search box. Here, right side. Here, the right side, whatever the properties related to search box means here see default format, into search items. If you want to change the font size, also we can change the font size. If you want to change the font also, font name also we can change. If you want to change the font size also we can change. Weight means bold or whatever it may be, you can select. Okay, we can alignment also, test alignment. Okay, middle. Okay, center. If you want to align right, if you want to align justify also you can use that one. Okay, hide everything. Okay, then icon new item. See here, whenever you want to add the new item means I have a data, I want to add a new customer here. If you are adding the new customer here, it will automatically adding in the Google Sheet as well. Okay, if you are deleting, if you are updating anything, it will automatically updating as well. Okay, then start up down this one. Okay, based on ascending or descending, see code also it is coming. Okay, I will be explaining everything. This is we have a data in Excel file. We have created the app by using that Google Sheet data. That is the reason it is. But we are going to discuss from scratch. You don't worry. Okay, I will be showing you that. Then refresh. Okay, if you want to refresh this one. Okay, label app name. This is the label name. Okay, rectangle. This is one. Okay, then detail screen. If you are clicking detail screen, this is the whole detail screen. Suppose I am running this. What is meaning by detail screen? I am running this. Review this app. Okay, this one. Come back. Suppose I want to get the details. Okay, see here. This is the details screen. It will be redirected. Okay, here also there will be some logic is there. How it is going to get the data. Okay, see here. This is the detail screen. This is the detail form. The detail form also there are. See here. Key. Which one? This one VIP level. Okay, how it is going to get the data from spreadsheet? How it is going to identify? Okay, what this one? Card. What is the value? C parent. Whatever the parent is having, whatever C means here, what is the value of this data card value? Parent default. Whatever the this is the parent one, these are the child one. Parent, whatever the VIP level default value that will be displayed. See here, go to here, we can search default. See here, this item dot VIP level. In the sense, what is the value of VIP level? Means this item is this spreadsheet. Okay, it is going to reference by that. We'll be discussing that. Don't worry. There. See here, passport number also. See, this is the passport number. Means card means this is the column name. Like how the data will be storing in dictionary. How we are going to get the data from the dictionary collection based on the key, right? Whatever the value associated with the key, we are going to get that. See here, passport number. What is the default value of passport number? This one. This item dot passport number. How it is going to get? It is going to reference from this here, right? Passport number. This item dot, and also keep in mind. See, Power Apps ID, it will automatically generating the ID, Power Apps ID. Okay. Keep in mind, don't delete this data, right? Whenever you are going to create an app by using any data source, right? If you are going to use Google Sheet as a data source, by automatically one ID will be automatically generated by the Power Apps, and it is going to assign to that. See, for each and every, keep in mind, those are the unique guys. Okay. See here, then location, even location also it is IFM. Location in the sense key and value. Key in the sense how it is going to, what is the key? See here, parent dot display name. What is the parent? How it is going to, see here, display name. What is the display name? Sheet 1, display name. What is the display name? Location. What is the display name of the location? Right, whatever the location it is having in this spreadsheet, that is going to display here. See here, see this one, location. Okay, this is the way how it is going to get. I will be explaining, you don't worry. Then value, what is the value of this passport number? This is the value, this is the label. Passport number, parent dot default. Whatever the default value is having parent by default, that value it is going to get. What is the value of default? What is the default value of parent? What is the parent? What is the parent in this category? In this category, passport number as a parent. Okay. What is the default value of passport? This item dot passport number means go here, passport. Okay, we'll be discussing. Don't worry. Then see even last name also same thing. I'll be explaining back arrow. See here, if you want to go back to the previous, you can suppose run this. You edited something, then you want to go back here. If you want to delete anything, if you want to edit, you can edit. Okay, it is detail space of the particular record. Then if you want to edit, you can edit also here. Suppose Andy Chapman. What is the see here? What is the agent name? What is the agent name? Agent name is Andy. Just I am updating here. Okay. Let's save this. Is going to save. Then go back. Refresh it. Edit this. 1 minute. Not this one. We have somewhere. Just search for the items with my key. See here. And also go here and you can search here. And you can save the app also. Yes, I am giving the demo app. Okay. See here, thank you. It is updated. Okay. Like this. If you want to delete this row, also you can delete. See here, which one? This one. Go here. Better to save the data. Better to save the Power App. Okay. Then automatically it is going to save. Run this. And if you want to delete, you can delete as well. Then refresh this. Then go here. See, it is deleted from search here. It is not available. Okay. This is the way how we can create a app by using Google spreadsheet as a data source. Suppose we have a data in OneDrive, then how we are going to access that? I will show you that also. Just I am going to use same thing. Okay. Here I am going to create a new app by using OneDrive as a data source. OneDrive as a connector. You can search here OneDrive. One minute. See here. Connect to OneDrive to manage your files. You can perform various actions such as you can upload, you can update the data, you can get and you can delete the files on OneDrive. Okay. Then how we can see here? I'm going to, and also one more screen is there, guys. 3 screens it is automatically, but whenever you are going to develop from scratch, we are going to develop the scratch. Okay, you have to give the screen name. Okay. Here this will automatically create the 3 screens. One is browse screen. Okay, if you want to browse anything here, this is the browse. Okay, then detail screen. See here, if you want to get any details of a particular based on customer name or whatever it may be, you can. Okay, then if you want to edit, these are the edit form. See here, this is the edit form. Okay, whenever you are clicking on here, suppose this is the, if you want to edit, you can. Now it will be redirected to this edit screen. Okay. Now we are into detail screen. Now we are into browse screen. Okay, if you want to get any detail, this is the detail. Okay, if you want to edit, you can edit. Click on edit. Okay. Then how we are going to connect your OneDrive. Okay, if you want to create a app by using OneDrive, how we can? 1 minute. I already having the data. See here, OneDrive, it is not available. Then search here, OneDrive. Okay, this is my one. Okay, this is like that account. By using that account, you won't be able to access that. Okay, like you should have a Outlook account for getting access to Power Apps. You should have get the access by using work or business email address. Okay, yes. My files, I already created this. Okay, under documents, see here, customer detail, customers. Okay, now here I am going to create a new app. Here I am going to create a new app by using OneDrive as a data source. Go here and select the click on new connection. Okay, then search for the OneDrive. See here, select this. See OneDrive, connect to OneDrive to manage your files. You can perform various actions after connecting to the OneDrive, such as you are able to upload a file, you can update the data, or you can retrieve the data. And if you want to delete an files, you can. Then click on create. You have to select which account. Okay. Then allow access. See here. Under documents, see. But whenever you are going to suppose whatever the Excel, suppose you have Excel, you have a data in Excel file. Okay. You have moved that, you have saved that Excel into OneDrive. That time how it is going to identify means we should have to create a table. Okay. How we are going to create a table? This is my data. Okay. Otherwise, if you are suppose whatever the data is available in the Excel file, okay, by default it will not take that. Okay, you should have to create a table. Suppose I want to create it, I have a data in Excel file. Okay, then you should have to format this as a table. Okay, you have to select which columns, which rows of data you want to create as a table. You want to create, you want to format a table. Suppose I have a data, I want to format all the data, whatever the range I have selected, I want to format that as a table. Here see, these are the different themes are available. According to your requirement, you can select anyone. Suppose you have selected this. This is the theme. Okay, if you want to update, you can. Okay, this is the designer. Okay, then here you can give that any table name and you can do that. Okay. Here also I have a data in Excel file and I have moved that and after whatever the data I am having in the Excel file, I have formatted that as a table. Okay, then only Power Apps is able to identify the data. Otherwise, it is not able to identify. Okay, keep in mind that. Okay, whatever the data you are having in Excel file, you should have to format that as a table data. That time it is able to identify. See here. I already have it. 1 minute. I will show you that. Where is my here? See here. Just I am loading. See, I already formatted this. Okay. If you want to format, you can format also. Okay. See here, there are different type of options are available. You can select. Okay. Suppose, see here. Teams if you want to change. Okay. I already formatted as a table, right? That is the reason. If you want to change the theme, you can change the theme also. Like this. Okay. There. Give the table name as well, guys. Then you can select this. Now I am going to create a new app after connecting to the OneDrive, and after connecting to the OneDrive, after connecting to the OneDrive, like whatever the available documents are available, it is going to display here. See here, see OneDrive. There are three subfolders. Okay, but you have to provide the path, whatever the Excel, whatever the Excel file you are having. Suppose if you have placed under any of this folder, you can select that. Okay, but my whatever that I have placed that file under documents folder. Whatever the files, whatever the Excel files are available in the documents, it is going to display here according to your requirement. Okay, if you are going to create the app by using this, you can use this. Then table. I have already formatted that range of data as a table. Then click on connect. Then it will be taking 1 minute, less than 1 minute for creating the app. Suppose I am going to create one Excel file. Yes, simple only. Salad. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. 3, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to I'm going to keep that file in my OneDrive. Upload files, then desktop, demo Excel file. See here, create more data source. You want to, then you can select the respective folder. Then select this one. Here, see, there are no tables in this file. Okay, that is the reason I said, suppose you have a data in Excel file. If it is not formatted as a table, then you won't be able to access. Here it will be showing there are no tables in this file, right? That is the reason. What you have to show? Okay, then open this. See here, these are the table themes. You can select this. You can select whatever the data, whatever the range of data you want to format as a table. You have to select that range of data. Then go here and you can apply the. Okay, then create that. Now go to demo. Check one more time. Okay. Go here, replace it, then create. Already the table is there. 1 minute. You have to give the table names. You have to give the table name. 1 minute. Finding that option, just wait, guys. One minute. 1 minute. Okay, this is the table name. Whenever you are selecting table design, here this is my table. Okay, then refresh it. Already there, right? Why it is 1 minute, guys. Now it came. Okay, we can connect. It is taking time to update that. Sorry. Sorry. See here, there are 3 screens. One is browse. We have automatically created the screens. If you have a data in Excel file, okay, according to that, it will automatically create the screens. Browse screens here. Rectangle is 1 minute. We have already data, then why it is not taking? One minute. Yes. Sorry. We have already data in that table. Again, I am going to create that. Here we are going to create a app by using data source as a OneDrive. See here, now here. Means what are the actions you are going to perform? You have a data in Excel file. What are the actions generally you are going to perform? You are going to browse, or you are going to edit the data, you are going to delete the data, you are going to update the data. That is the reason it is automatically created. Okay, we have to add this because we don't have that logic. Okay, this one. Run this. There is no data. We have to add all the data. This is the default. Okay, we have to add all the data. This is our table name. If you want to change also, you can change the table name. We will discuss that. Okay, And now I am going to use that as a data source. Which one? Customers data. Same thing, same screens are getting created, because like whenever you are same, I told you, if you have a data in Excel file, what you are going to do, you are going to get the data, you are going to get the particular row data, and if you want to edit, you want to edit, you want to update, if you want to update, you can update. Okay, same thing here. Run. This is the preview the app. See here, you want to select this one particular record. These are the, if you want to edit any of the details, you can edit and it will automatically saves in the OneDrive as. Okay. See, yeah, these screens automatically getting created. Okay. But if you want to, you don't have any data source. Okay, then that time how we are going to do that? We'll be discussing that later, end of our sessions. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss, we are going to use this as a data source, how we are going to customize this. Okay, this forms and everything. I'll be explaining that. Means this is Canvas app. This is not a model driven app. Okay. Like what? Is it clear, guys? Just these are the basics only. Hello? Like I told, like Power Apps, right? You don't, if you want to develop any Power Apps, right? You don't require any coding knowledge, just drag and drop. If you are having less than 5% coding knowledge also, it is more than sufficient. Okay. Then we have discussed about what are the features like easy app, easy to use, means you don't require any coding knowledge, and whatever the Power Apps you have designed or you have developed, you can run it everywhere, right? If you want to run those apps through mobile, you can do that. Whether it is mobile, it is Android device or iPhone, iOS device or any Mac OS or something. If you have a laptop, if you want to run those also, you can do that. Okay, any Windows machine or whatever it may. And also like customizable also. Suppose I have these screens. Okay, browse detail screen. I want to customize these screens. How we are going to customize this? We can easily customize. We can perform some validation. Suppose here what we are going to do this, right, guys? Suppose I want to get top three records. I want to get the agent name. Suppose if the agent name is equal to this, I want to retrieve all the records. Okay, then how we can sort the records? Right, everything will be customizing this. We'll be adding more screens to this. Okay, I will be explaining that so that you will be able to understand. Okay, guys, if you are having any questions, please do let me know. That's all from my side for today's session. If you are having any questions, Lakshmi, Krishna D, Ganesh, Muni. First create the
No, sir.
first access this and create that. Okay. You don't require to create anything here. Whenever you are going to access, randomly email ID is getting generated. Keep in mind that is valid for 1 hour. Okay. Then after generating that business email ID, then you can navigate to this URL and you can register. Okay. Keep in mind that password also, right? You have to keep those credentials anywhere, right? You can save those credentials. Okay. Then once you are registered, you will be getting the notification. Send, you will be receiving the verification code to your email here. Now what I have received right here. This one will be receiving this. Then we can enter that. Once the account is activated, then you don't require to access this email ID. Okay. Anyway, I told you right, it will maximum expires after 1 hour. Okay. Then after that, it will automatically generate the new email ID. But keep those credentials in anyway, right? Then better to create the one Outlook account also for getting the access to one, right? This one. And if you are having any questions, please do let me know, guys. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
What about you, Krishna? Lakshmi, do
Yes,
you have
sir.
any questions? Unni?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, please.
Yeah, I'll be sharing this. I'm requesting you better to create and navigate the.
Clear.
Okay, I'll be sharing the recorded session as.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, have a good day. See you by tomorrow. Take care.
See you, sir.